How to search someone on Instagram by image. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find if we can search someone on Instagram by image. So let's just go ahead with the process on how we search for someone on Instagram and find out. For that, you can directly open up the Instagram app on your phone, and once you are there, in the bottom, you will be finding the search button in the navigation bar. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you can tap on the search option at the top. So here, unfortunately, we need to enter the username of the person if we want to find or type their handle in the Instagram search bar. So we don't have the option that lets us scan the image and find the users. So unfortunately, we can't search for someone based on their image from Instagram directly. But we can use different alternatives available, for example, Google itself. So I can go to Google and search Google Lens or image. Just go ahead and type in Google Lens and hit enter. And when you use this, you can use the related images and information, and that will help you find the social media profiles or website where the image appears. For now, this is the only method we can apply up as Instagram doesn't directly provide us the feature. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.